Trading crypto is a hobby and passion for millions of people across the world, including in the United States. But people who live here have strict trading restrictions to worry about. This can make it difficult to figure out how to trade crypto futures. That's why we made this video. Keep watching to learn 3 strategies for trading crypto futures in the United States in 2023. What are crypto futures exactly? Before we cover the strategies, we should quickly clarify what crypto futures are. The answer? They're derivative contracts, which basically means that they're an agreement to buy or sell an asset at a predetermined price on a future date. The upshot is that you can use crypto futures to speculate about future price movements for assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you think the price of Bitcoin will go up in the next month, you could buy futures contracts to profit. If you think the price will go down, then you could sell future contracts to profit. The cool thing about this is that it allows you to profit from the price of crypto assets going down. That makes it possible to earn money in crypto in any type of market condition. 3 ways to trade crypto futures in the USA. Okay, so that's what crypto futures are. Now let's look at 3 different ways you can trade them in the United States. Fidelity. The first option you have is to create an account with Fidelity. Fidelity is one of the most respected U.S. retail investment companies with a long track record of legitimacy. They recently began offering cryptocurrency futures trading. You can buy or sell Bitcoin and Ethereum futures. The company even offers micro futures so you can get involved in future tradings at a lower price per contract. Fidelity is a highly reputable and trustworthy platform, but its list of available crypto assets is still a bit limited, so you'll likely only be able to trade futures on major coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, if you go with this option. KuCoin. Alright, next on our list is KuCoin. KuCoin is a centralized cryptocurrency exchange that was founded in 2017 and is based out of Seychelles. KuCoin is technically not supposed to be available to US residents, but you can access it by using a VPN. The platform has been around for about the same amount of time as Binance and has proven to be a legitimate operation since. What makes it unique for US residents is that it doesn't require KYC or Know Your Customer. That means you can use it without inputting any personal information whatsoever. If you want to trade futures on KuCoin, just note that your withdrawals will be limited to 1 to 2 BTC every 24 hours. Plus, you won't get access to leverage or margin trading. But KuCoin has a very large list of available assets, so you'll be able to trade futures on just about anything through the platform. All that being said, since US residents aren't technically allowed to use KuCoin, you should probably only keep a small amount of cash on the platform at any given time, just in case things change and the company institutes KYC requirements that you can't satisfy. GMX. Finally, last on our list is the Decentralized Perpetual Exchange, GMX. It's a relatively new crypto project, but it's quickly become an excellent resource for traders in the United States. The platform offers crypto futures on several major assets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Avalanche. Even better, you can trade those assets with up to 50x leverage. That opens the possibility to earn, or lose, much more with every trade. The platform's entirely decentralized, so all you need to use is a valid crypto wallet through MetaMask or another provider. And that about wraps things up. Each platform we covered in this video offers US traders access to crypto futures with different pros and cons. The best fit for you will depend on how you want to trade these assets. So which platform do you think is best? Do you like the stability of Fidelity, the asset selection offered by KuCoin, or the leverage trading offered by GMX? Comment your answer below to let us know, and don't forget to like and subscribe to help us out. Thanks for watching this edition of Metaverse Memo. Until next time.